Welcome to the live TV experience on SuperBox S7 series. With the Blue TV app, all your favorite channels are right at your fingertips. Each time you open Blue TV, the TV remote guide will appear. Press the right button to explore the remote's functions. Select Don't Show Again if you don't want it to pop up next time. When switching channels here, the preview screen will not change until you press OK. To enter full screen mode, press OK again, or select the screen and press OK. How to search for TV channels with S7 series. To search for specific channels, hold down the mic button and clearly say the channel's name. For example, if you say INTV, the system will quickly find it for you. Or you can simply say a keyword, and you will see several related channels appear on the screen, such as Fox. Then just select the one you want to watch. You can also press the right button on your remote to bring up the soft keyboard and type the channel name manually. How to check EPG and add TV channels to favorites. Press the OK button on your remote to open the electronic program guide, also called EPG. To add a channel to favorites, move to the channel you like, then hold the OK button until the icon turns to yellow. That means the channel is now saved in your favorites list. How to switch TV channels. If you know the channel number, just press the numbers on your remote. For quick access, add the channels you watch often into your favorites list. You can also use the page up button or page down button to move between the last 10 channels you viewed. This makes it easier to follow different programs or events at the same time. How to setting up Blue TV with S7 series. For setup, press the menu button on your remote to access the settings. Here, you can toggle the status bar to show the date and time in the upper right corner. You can also turn on the internet speed display in the lower right corner to monitor your connection. In addition, you'll find decode settings to optimize performance and reduce buffering. With options you can adjust as needed. 2 different EPG styles are available. Select New Style for a cleaner, more intuitive layout that makes finding your favorite program simple. The feedback option allows you to quickly report any issues, and our engineers will work to resolve them shortly. You can also revisit the TV remote guide anytime from this menu. If you have any questions or need support, our customer service team is always here for you.